Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Wi-Fi problems. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, tap on general management, tap here, go down, tap on reset, go down, tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, tap here, tap on this reset settings button. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, that's all. Tap on this reset settings button. See the message Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. Done. Let me close this. Then again go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Then tap on connections. Then let me turn on Wi-Fi. Just tap here and turn on Wi-Fi. Then tap on this Wi-Fi label. So now phone is searching for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Let me set Wi-Fi network. Let me select this Wi-Fi network, home Wi-Fi. Select it. Then enter Wi-Fi password. Then tap on connect. See, it's connecting. See, connected. So this way we can reset all Wi-Fi settings and fix all Wi-Fi problems. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Please like and share the video.